Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we're going to be talking about a list of emergency preparedness items from A to Z. So let's go through the list and let's see if you can guess what I'm going to choose. Letter A, axe. An axe could be used for chopping wood, clearing debris, or if you have to go to your attic in your trap, you may be able to chop through your roof to get help. Batteries. Batteries for flashlights, radios, and other electronics are an absolute must. A can opener. Now, we all know to store canned food and other non perishable items, but you want to make sure you have and know how to use a manual can opener. Duct tape. Duct tape is a multi purpose item that is great for repairs, sealing, and securing items. Emergency radios. Whether it's a solar emergency radio or a hand crank radio, it's great for weather updates, communication, and lighting. First aid kits. First aid kits are essential for treating injuries and wounds. Now for the letter G, this is a big one. Gas cans. If you've got to evacuate, it's good to have gas in your car, but it's even better to have a stockpile of gas in case the stations run out. For the letter H, hydration packs. Health is critical whenever you're in an emergency situation, and you're going to want to make sure that you stay hydrated. For the letter I, ice packs. Instant cold packs can be used for not only keeping medicine cold and food cold, but also for treating injuries. Jumper cables. Jumper cables can be critical whenever you're in an emergency, especially if your vehicle has an emergency. Now for the letter K, we can't go wrong with a knife. A knife is a multi-purpose tool for cutting and preparing materials, but especially if you can get a tactical knife, that would be even better. Life jacket. Now, if you're in an emergency situation where there's going to be rising waters, you're going to want to make sure to strap on that life jacket. Matches. For the letter M, it's always good to be able to start a fire. And these are very affordable, cheap, old school, but a sure way to start that much needed fire. Now, the letter N, I went with novels. I was recently in a power outage due to a hurricane, and you're going to want to stay entertained. This is a good way to read and catch up on your books. For the letter O, outdoor solar lights. These are good to put outside in your yard, and then you can bring them in at night to make sure that you have a well-lit area. For the letter P, I decided to go with ponchos. Ponchos are great for staying dry in wet conditions. For the letter Q, we're going to go with quick clot. These are emergency clotting agents for serious wounds. Bleed Stop is the #1 bestseller on Amazon. For the letter R, we're going to go with rope. Now, ropes have countless uses, and they're strong, durable, and they can be used for rescue, securing items, or sheltering buildings. For the letter S, I decided to go with the solar power generator, and the Jackery needs no introduction. This is your top item that you want to have in an emergency situation. For the letter T, I decided to go with tarps. They're great for creating temporary shelter or covering up your supplies and keeping them dry. For the letter U, I decided to go with the utility knife. It's a sharp tool with multiple uses in an emergency situation. For V, we're going to go with vitamin supplements. These will help you again to maintain nutrition if your food supply is limited. For the letter W, we're going to go with water purification. It's great for making your water safe to drink. X. Now, this was a difficult one, but I decided to go with the X-Acto knife. It's good for shelter construction, first aid when cutting bandages, or food preparation and rationing. You can cut with precision. For the letter Y, I went with the Yeti cooler. This is the perfect choice if you lose power, especially if you need to keep your food cold for 24 hours. And last but not least, for the letter Z, I decided to go with Ziploc bags. So Ziploc bags are perfect for keeping items dry, especially important documents. And you can get Ziploc bags in all different sizes. So that's it. That's my A to Z emergency preparedness items list. Were some of your choices on this list? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I'll also leave a link to the products in the description box below.